Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Premiere Pro for 5.1 surround speaker panning step by step clearly. Open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Create a new project or open an existing one. Once your project is open, navigate to the sequence you want to work on. Select the sequence in the timeline. Go to the top menu and click on Sequence. In the drop-down menu, select Sequence Settings. Locate the audio section within the sequence settings window. Change the tracks to 5.14 surround sound. Click the OK button to confirm your changes. Now, locate your audio clips in the timeline. Right-click on each audio clip you want to work with. Choose Audio Channels from the context menu. In the Audio Channels settings, adjust the channel format to match your 5.1 setup. Ensure that each channel corresponds correctly to your speaker setup. Click OK to apply the changes. Next, go to the Audio Mixer panel. If it's not visible, navigate to Window and select Audio Mixer. In the Audio Mixer, you will see a layout of your audio channels. Use the sliders to adjust the panning for each channel as desired. Play your sequence to preview the audio changes in real time. Fine-tune the panning until you achieve the desired surround sound effect. Once satisfied, you can proceed with editing or exporting your project. Your Premiere Pro is now set up for 5.1 surround speaker panning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.